Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 2x minus 5. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have x, so I will put negative number 5 go to the left, and then we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we do first the derivative of this one. So we do first the derivative of this one. First, the derivative of u square, we have 2u du. First, the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have number 2. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. So u divided by u we cancel. Number 2 I will put outside. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of number 5, we have 5u. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.